Shock absorbers play a crucial role in the comfort and safety of vehicles, as well as in their overall performance. They are an integral part of your car's suspension system, and their main role is to absorb shocks caused by road irregularities such as potholes, bumps, and other obstacles. In addition to keeping the tires in contact with the road, they provide a comfortable ride, reduce vibrations, and ensure better stability, especially when cornering or braking. However, just like other vehicle components, shock absorbers undergo natural wear over time. They are constantly subjected to stress, particularly when driving on rough or poorly maintained roads, and this progressive wear reduces their effectiveness. Shock absorbers are mainly made of metal and fluid. When the fluid inside loses its shock-absorbing properties, it reduces the shock absorber's ability to control the suspension's movements. This typically happens after 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers, hence the need for periodic replacement. There are several signs that indicate it's time to replace your shock absorbers. If you experience excessive vibrations, especially at high speeds, if braking becomes less effective, if you hear clunking noises when driving over irregularities in the road, or if the ride becomes unstable, it is likely that your shock absorbers are worn and need replacement. Failing to replace them on time can compromise the stability of your car, increasing the risk of an accident, particularly on wet roads or during abrupt maneuvers. Additionally, a faulty shock absorber leads to reduced driving comfort. You'll feel the imperfections in the road more, making long trips uncomfortable, and the vibrations will make the ride less pleasant. It is also important to note that a worn shock absorber can affect other suspension components, such as the springs and suspension arms, leading to costly repairs. Replacing the shock absorbers is essential for several reasons. Above all, it ensures driving safety. A faulty shock absorber can reduce tire grip on the road, making the car harder to control, especially during emergency braking or turning. Moreover, shock absorbers also play a critical role in braking performance. When they are worn, the wheels don't stay in constant contact with the road, which increases braking distance. Timely replacement will ensure a quicker and more efficient vehicle response during braking. It is recommended to have your shock absorbers checked regularly, approximately every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers or every 2 years during your car's routine maintenance. However, if you notice signs of wear before this period, it is crucial to consult a professional. Replacing shock absorbers is a technical task that should be performed by a qualified mechanic. Attempting to do it yourself without the necessary skills can compromise the safety of your vehicle. In conclusion, shock absorbers are key elements to ensure the safety, comfort, and performance of your vehicle. Their wear is inevitable, but it is essential to replace them as soon as they show signs of failure. Regular maintenance, including checking the shock absorbers, is crucial to ensure the longevity of your vehicle and guarantee a pleasant and safe ride. If you experience symptoms of worn shock absorbers, don't wait to consult a professional. At GBE Automobile 237, we are committed to offering quality advice and services for the maintenance of your vehicle.